How's it going, rednecks? I am sitting here at Tyler's grandparents' house right now in the Turtle, and we're getting ready to hook up to the trailer, and we're going to be buying another vehicle. This video isn't particularly about the vehicle that we're getting, but obviously a cool addition. This is more or less to get you guys kind of caught up with what's going on with my channel. Ever since my computer went down quite a while ago, I've kind of lost motivation. It put me about a month behind on videos, and I'm finding it hard to find time to get them videos edited and out. I have a Silver Lake video still. I have the Gobbler 500 video still out. I have a bunch of Oldsmobile 98 videos that I need to edit. And I guess this is just kind of an update video, get you guys caught up with what's going on, and I guess I'll try my hardest to get them out. I almost have the Gobbler 500 one done, but yeah, for right now, I guess enjoy this video. I'm going to make this kind of a vlog, and yeah, enjoy that, weirdo. Let's go get hooked up to the trailer. Snow?
Oh no.
I'm debating. Full side. Yeah. Turtle. Alright guys, so what we have here is a 1997 Yukon, and this is the short, not the XL, and guess how much we paid for it? Here, we'll ask this guy right here. Hold on. How much do you think we paid for this mighty fine unit?
35 bucks.
35 bucks. She's got 243 thou, starts and drives, four-wheel drive, but the frame's rotted.
Yeah, it looks that way.
It's got stance.
How much you think we paid for it?
200.
He thinks we paid 200. Lower.
150.
Lower.
100.
100 bucks. We paid 100 bucks for this thing, guys, and it's gonna be a riot.
He looks like you.
Hey, let's see if the horn works. No. Oh, yeah, horn works.
Oh, look at this, has a CD player.
Hey, should we bring the hatchback? Oh God, we're gonna have to do like an 8-point here. Well, we get it out of the way for him. We'll grab it. Should we? Yeah.
The rear doesn't open on this.
Oh, that's right.
Riding bump stops. Oof.
Second gear work. Oh!
Oh, not the tires. The tires tires are the most valuable thing on it, so I can smell it burning.
Well guys, that's pretty amazing. The obviously from what you can tell, the torsion bars are rotted out, so the key actually for the torsion bar, the cross member is rotted out. The frame's rotted right behind the tires a little bit. We got to patch that, but for $100, we're going to have quite a bit of fun. We don't know what we're going to do with it yet, but I tell you what, the guy we bought that from, really cool guy, really nice guy, enjoyed meeting him, but yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this little video. I know it's a little weird. I just kind of wanted to get you guys caught up and what's going on with my videos and whatnot. So, a little out of the ordinary, but hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Comment, like, share, subscribe, and get back to work.